Welcome guys, in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi 9A and I'm going to show you how I can get this cool fluid wallpaper. So for the first I'm going to delete this application, and right now we have to move for the Play Store. Here we have the default wallpaper. On the search pool you have to tap fluid wallpaper and get the Magic Fluids free simulation from the Mad Scientist. Click on it, tap install. Right now just wait until it finishes download. Click open, and here's the preview of the wallpaper. And of course here you can adjust other things. You can try it, but if you want to set it as a wallpaper you have to click right here and tap to set as a live wallpaper. And here we can also adjust other functions. Here we can set up the paint quality, the simulation resolution, but for the smartphone like the Redmi 9A I recommend you to leave this all of the settings as recommend. So we just click to set as a wallpaper and we can select for the home screen only. So let's check our wallpaper right now, and as you can see here we got our cool fluid wallpaper. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.